Hey guys, welcome to my channel Adi Explains. I am Aditya. I hope that you all are staying safe in your home. In today's video, I will tell you about 3D printing technology. 3D printing technology is a technology which is changing our world. It is a revolutionary technology. In today's video, I will tell you what is 3D printing technology, the advantage of this 3D printing technology, and finally I will tell you the area of application of this 3D printing technology. Do watch this video till the end. Now let us see what is 3D printing. 3D printing is also known as additive manufacturing. 3D printing is a process of creating physical objects by depositing materials in layers. All 3D printing process requires software, hardware and materials to work together. 3D printing technology can be used to create everything from prototypes to human artificial organs. 3D printing technology is in a great demand in industries. And it is forecasted that the global market of 3D printing technology will reach $41 billion by the year 2026. 3D printing technology is used in almost all the industries that you could think of. Now let us see the advantages of 3D printing technology. The first advantage is that you can hold the prototype in your hands in matter of days instead of weeks. And you can create any 3D things that you imagine in your mind. The another advantage of this technology is that it is relatively fast and cheap. To create 3D models, you don't need to have expensive mold or tools. You should have a 3D printer, materials and a piece of code to create 3D models using this technology. So this is relatively cheap than the traditional method. Now let us see the area of application of 3D printing technology. The first industry is automotive industry. The car manufacturers use 3D printing technology to manufacture gears and engines of cars. 3D printing technology is also used in aviation industry. 3D printing technology is used to make heat resistant materials in an aeroplane. And this technology is used to make corrosion free materials and weight reducing structures in an aeroplane. Thus, this technology helps in structural performance of an aeroplane. UK-based startup called Arbex created the world's largest rocket engine by using this 3D printing technology. 3D printing technology is also used in constructions. You may ask, is it possible to build a building using this 3D printing technology? Yes, it is possible. Many believe that 3D printing technology is the future of constructions. And already 3D printing technology is used to build walls, doors, floors, tiles and even some houses. 3D printing technology is also used in the manufacture of footwears. Adidas, the world's largest shoe company, is using 3D printing technology to manufacture midsoles. Midsole is a small part of shoe. In 2018, Adidas manufactured around 1 lakh midsoles and expected to manufacture even more in the future. The total market of 3D printed footwear is forecasted to reach $5.9 billion by the year 2028. 3D printing technology is also used in eyewear. People nowadays are wearing different colored eyewears, and these eyewears are manufactured by 3D printing technology. By the year of 2028, it is forecasted that the global market of 3D printed eyewear frames will reach $3.4 billion. 3D printing technology is also used in jewelry. There are two methods to create jewelry using 3D printing technology. The first method is via direct method. In direct method, you can create an object directly via metal powder bed fusion. In the second method, you create a tool to create the end product via casting. 3D printing technology is also used in healthcare industry. It is common these days to see headlines about artificial organ implants. These artificial organs are made using 3D printing technology. In dental industry, crowns and dentures are made using 3D printing technology. 3D printing technology is also used in education. Some educators and students have been using this 3D printing technology in their classrooms. This technology enables students to create things by their visualization. You have seen a skeletal system, a 3D model of heart, a 3D model of lungs in your school's science lab, right? Have you ever wondered how these 3D models have been created? These 3D models are also created by using the same 3D printing technology. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I upload new videos. If you have any questions to ask me, drop in the comment section. Until the next time, from Aditya, see you.